Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna open Ryan's World Safe. But before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Now let's open it. I'm gonna grab these scissors and we have to open this. See that sharp edge? Poke it inside. Right here. Now let's open it, guys. I need a bigger hole. There we go. There we go. It's wrapped. It's all over it. Wow. Take off the wrappage. Please. Now, let's flip it over.
Show me the features.
And now, the features, you see this key and this unlocks the chest. See, it doesn't turn. It's hard. Daddy would have to do it. I need help, Dad. Daddy's
you turn it.
Oh,
okay.
Turn it like this and then open. Are you ready? Oh! First one. It's cabinet, so first one. Let's open this one.
Don't cover the camera.
Now it's this one.
Okay.
I already opened it. It's the glitter for your slime. Next one. This is Ryan's stickers are tattooed. Okay. And this one is powder for your slime. What's this one? Let's recognize this one. Oh, my own Ryan figure. Let's see this one. This might be the big Ryan figure. Oh, the smash hammer. Yes, we need this. Now it's the next one. 2. It's combo smash hammer. Let's smash it. What did we get? Ryan's head. Combo, the ultra rare guy. Oh, ultra rare. Now let's get out the stickers. Look at, we have more stickers or tattoos. Oh, what's this piece? This is the 3D glasses. I know it. Oh, these are Red Titan 3D glasses. Hi, guys. Wait a minute. Why is there 2 inside 1?
No.
Is there 2 inside 1?
No.
I think.
Don't break it.
Stop. Yeah. I just opened more surprises. Oh, that's Gus, the gummy gator. The gummy gator. He's yummy gummy. I want some gummies. Now it's time for the smash surprise. Last one. Oh, this one's tough. Ryan World Coins. I need a record shot because I can't get the coins.
Let me help you. Oh, you need to save the coins.
Huh?
Okay.
Now we have to get out the coins. Oh! It's red! Yeah! Now let's open 3D glasses. Oh, gosh. We need 3D glasses. Let's see. Oh! First, this is one. Oh, let's rip the whole thing. Oh, rip it! Rip the whole thing, guys! Oh! You build your own robot kit! What fell? Money! Let's do our own robot kit. Okay, guys, So we're gonna take out piece 1. Now we have robots in the head, and now let's put the arm in. Oh, Daddy. Can somebody help me? It has to be all the way. There's Daddy. Okay, guys, Daddy put it on. Now it's time for this next one. But there's a laser blast one. Oh no, I can't do it. I think I can do it.
Take out all the parts.
Okay, let's just take out all the parts. We're gonna save that for that. Yeah, I need the left arm, please. Thank you. Now it's time to put the arm in.
Wait, not yet.
With the jetpack. No, I got it. Okay, guys, now we're gonna put the arm in.
You wiggle it slowly.
Now I did it. Now it's the legs. It's a green leg. Like the Hulk. I'm a robot. Okay, guys, Daddy put them on. Now we need the jetpack. Yay! Fly! Oh no, combo fell down. Now it's time to open the secret storage. Here we go. We need to remove that tape. Remove this tape. There's tape right here. I see it. I see the tape, guys. No, we already got it. There you go. Wow! Yo! This is so cool! Gold. What's inside here? What's in here? Nothing. Okay. Confetti cannon! Use some diamonds and stuff. Now, let's start this. Gems? Whoa, buddy! Okay, guys, now it's time to Daddy open the gems and money, and we're gonna throw it out. Ah! With the gem! Escaped. Ooh, the crystals of power! Yeah. Confetti in the air! The air! Now let's put it on the box. Confetti ball. What's that? Ryan World money! $1, $1, $5, $10, $20! Yeah! Money, man! Here's that's a 10! Whoa, what's it, the robot and the man? Now, there's stickers in now because I watched the video. And, but now let's put everything back inside. Nah, let's put everything back inside. The smash hammer. Combo! Investigator! Oh no, robotical can't fit. Right. Yeah. Now we can put these guys. A bus. Red Titan, he's a red. Combo Bunga used the ultra rare. Oh, he gets it down! Hiya, combo! There's one that has the one that goes with the headset. It's like a toy and it's like a snuggle and it says, "Welcome to Combo Bunga," and he chops, cha, cha, cha. Now let's put my fingers back. Money, gems, confetti on you. I just want confetti not in my box because it's really gross. Confetti, glasses in there. I'm gonna lock my secret hatch. Where's my key for my hatch? Where is my key for my secret hatch? Lock it now. Nice! Yay! No, buddy! Now let's put everything back. We have to clean up at the end of all the videos. Now let's put these on the top. Now let's do this. Now the 3D glasses. And this is the garbage. Now let's put our special key. Where's our golden key? It's at the end of the safe. Now do this. Lock my safe. Nobody can find my toy. Ha ha ha. Radio confetti! Yay! Okay guys, thank you for watching. But subscribe my channel one more time. And if you spell red, just make my new channel, Red Toys Garage. And then click the R and you're gonna sign up to see more Red Toy Garage shows. Bye! See, and guys, I just need to tell you something. If you're a fan of Ryan, this is what you can find. I have Ryan's World bed sheet, and you can buy it at Walmart for if you're like Ryan. And look at this, guys. It's cool. You can just put your finger inside and then unlock it. It's cool.
Okay, bye.
And then see you later. Okay, guys. See you later.